Introduction. We have learnt about fractions and decimals in our earlier classes. We have studied about type of fractions, comparison of fractions and equivalent fractions. In class 6, we have also learnt about representation of a fraction on a number line. Let us learn more about them. Proper fraction. A proper fraction is a part of the whole. Its numerator is less than denominator. Example, 3 by 4, 9 by 11, 1 by 4, etc. Improper fraction. Improper fraction is a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. Its numerator is bigger than denominator. Example, 15 by 12, 7 by 2, 19 by 5, etc. Mixed fraction. An improper fraction, that is 7 by 2, can be written as 3 1 by 2, which is a combination of whole number 3 and a proper fraction 1 by 2. An improper fraction can be changed into mixed fraction by dividing the numerator by its denominator and can be written into mixed fractions. In other words, numerator by denominator is equal to quotient remainder by denominator. Equivalent fractions. Two or more fractions which represent the same part of a whole number are called equivalent fractions. Each fraction is said to be equivalent to all the other. Example, write 5 equivalent fraction of 4 by 7 or 4 by 7, 8 by 14, 12 by 21, 16 by 28, 20 by 35 are 5 equivalent fractions of 4 by 7. Like and unlike fractions. Fractions having same denominator are called like fractions, whereas fractions with unequal denominators are called unlike fractions. Example. Examples of like fractions are 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 11 by 7, etc. Examples of unlike fractions are 3 by 8, 4 by 9, 11 by 15, etc. Addition and subtraction of fractions. A. Addition of fraction with equal denominator. To add or subtract two fractions with same denominator, we simply add or subtract their numerators and write the same denominators. Example, 4 by 15 plus 3 by 15 is equal to 4 plus 3 by 15, which is equal to 7 by 15. Also, 7 by 12 minus 3 by 12 is equal to 7 minus 3 by 12, which is equal to 4 by 12, which is equal to 1 by 3. B. Addition of fractions with unequal denominator. To add two unlike fractions, we find the LCM of their denominators and then convert each fraction into an equivalent fraction having its denominator equal to the LCM and then add or subtract as we do for like fractions. Example 1. Subtract 3 1 by 2 from 5 1 by 4. Solution. 5 1 by 4 minus 3 1 by 2 is equal to 21 by 4 minus 7 by 2. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Equal to 21 into 1 minus 7 into 2 by 4, which is equal to 21 minus 14 by 4, which is equal to 7 by 4 is equal to 1 3 by 4. Example 2. Subtract 1 1 by 5 from 3. Solution. 3 minus 1 1 by 5 is equal to 3 by 1 minus 6 by 5, which is equal to 3 into 5 minus 6 into 1 by 5, which is equal to 15 minus 6 by 5 is equal to 9 by 5, which is equal to 1 4 by 5. Example 3. Simplify. 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Solution. LCM of 2, 5 and 10 is 10. Then 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 7 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 5 by 10, which is equal to 7 plus 4 plus 15 by 10, which is equal to 26 by 10, which is equal to 13 by 5, which is equal to 2 3 by 5. Example 4. Anuja bought 7 1 by 3 kg apples and 4 1 by 2 kg pears. Find the total weight of fruits bought by her. Solution. Total weight of fruits is equal to, in the brackets, 7 1 by 3 plus 4 1 by 2 whole kg, which is equal to, in the brackets, 22 by 3 plus 9 by 2 whole kg is equal to, in the bracket, 44 plus 27 by 6 whole kg, which is equal to 71 by 6 kg, which is equal to 11 5 by 6 kg. She bought 11 5 by 6 kg of fruits. Example 5. What should be added to 2 3 by 5 to get 4 1 by 2? Solution. Sum of the fractions is equal to 4 1 by 2. One of the fractions is equal to 2 3 by 5. So, other fraction is equal to 4 1 by 2 minus 2 3 by 5, which is equal to 9 by 2 minus 13 by 5 is equal to 9 into 5 minus 13 into 2 by 10, which is equal to 45 minus 26 by 10, which is equal to 19 by 10, which is equal to 1 9 by 10. So, 1 9 by 10 should be added to 2 3 by 5 to get 4 1 by 2. Multiplication of fractions. Rule 1. To multiply a fraction by a whole number. To multiply a whole number by a fraction, we simply multiply the numerator of the fraction with whole number, keeping the denominator same. Example. 4 into 3 by 5 is equal to 4 into 3 by 5, which is equal to 12 by 5. 3 into 1 and 1 by 2 is equal to 3 into 3 by 2, which is equal to 3 by 1 into 3 by 2, which is equal to 3 into 3 by 1 into 2, which is equal to 9 by 2. Rule 2. To multiply a fraction by another fraction, we multiply their numerators and denominators. Product of two fractions is equal to product of numerators by product of denominators. Example 1. Multiply 2 by 3 and 4 by 7. Solution. 2 by 3 into 4 by 7 is equal to 2 into 4 by 3 into 7, which is equal to 8 by 21. Example 2. Find the product of 3 1 by 2 and 4 by 9. Solution. 3 1 by 2 into 4 by 9 is equal to 7 by 2 into 4 by 9, which is equal to 28 by 18, which is equal to 14 by 9, which is equal to 1 5 by 9. Note 1. To multiply a mixed number with a fraction, we first convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2. If the numerator and denominator have some common factor, we first cancel them and then multiply. 3. If the product is an improper fraction, then convert it to mixed number. Fraction as an operator of. Fraction as an operator of. What will be 2 of 1 by 2? If we combine the two shaded portions of 1 by 2, we will get one fully shaped part. Then 2 of 1 by 2 means 2 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 2 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. Similarly, 3 of 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Thus, 3 of 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Also, 3 into 1 by 2 is equal to 3 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 3 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Thus, 1 by 2 of 3 is equal to 1 by 2 into 3, which is equal to 3 by 2. So, we conclude that of represents multiplication. Example 1. Find 4 of 1 by 3 and show diagrammatically. Solution. 4 of 1 by 3 is equal to 4 into 1 by 3, which is equal to 4 by 3, which is equal to 1, and 1 by 3 is equal to 1 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 4 by 3. Example 2. Find A. 3 by 4 of 16, B. 1 by 4 of 36, C. 2 by 5 of 25. Solution. A. 3 by 4 of 16 is equal to 3 by 4 into 16, which is equal to 3 into 4 is equal to 12. B. 1 by 4 of 36 is equal to 1 by 4 into 36, which is equal to 9. C. 2 by 5 of 25 is equal to 2 by 5 into 25, which is equal to 2 into 5, which is equal to 10. Example 3. Which is greater, 1 by 5 of 3 or 1 by 3 of 5? Solution. 1 by 5 of 3 is equal to 3 by 5. 1 by 3 of 5 is equal to 5 by 3. 5 by 3 is greater than 3 by 5, as improper fraction is always greater than proper fraction. Example 4. Cost of 1 liter of oil is rupees 27 and 2 by 3. Find the cost of 12 liters. Solution. Cost of 12 liter of oil is equal to rupees 12 into 27 and 2 by 3, which is equal to rupees 12 by 1 into 83 by 3, which is equal to rupees 332. Thus, cost of 12 liters of oil is rupees 332. Example 5. Find the area of a square field whose side is 4 and 3 by 4 centimeter. Solution. Area of square field is equal to side into side, which is equal to 4 and 3 by 4 into 4 and 3 by 4, which is equal to 19 by 4 into 19 by 4, which is equal to 361 by 16, which is equal to 22 and 9 by 16 centimeter square. Division of fractions. Division of a whole number by a fraction. Can you guess how many parts you will get if you divide a whole number into 1 by 2? Of course, 2. Similarly, if you divide 3 whole numbers into 1 by 4 equal parts, then you will get 4 parts plus 4 parts plus 4 parts is equal to 12 parts. 3 divided by 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 1 into 4 by 1, which is equal to 12. So, to divide a whole number by a fraction, we multiply the whole number by reciprocal of the fraction. Now, let us discuss what is reciprocal of a fraction. Reciprocal of a fraction. Two non-zero fractions whose product with each other gives 1 are called reciprocals of each other. So, reciprocal of 3 by 7 is 7 by 3, as 3 by 7 into 7 by 3 is equal to 1. Remember that we can obtain the reciprocal of a fraction by interchanging its numerator and denominator. What about reciprocal of 0? Reciprocal of 0 does not exist because division by 0 is not possible. We can say that reciprocal of a proper fraction is improper and reciprocal of an improper fraction is a proper fraction. Division of a fraction by another fraction. When we divide a fraction by another fraction, we multiply the fraction with the reciprocal of the other fraction. Example, divide 3 by 4 by 5 by 6. 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 6 is equal to 3 by 4 into 6 by 5, which is equal to 9 by 10. Note, 1. To divide a whole number by a mixed fraction, first convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction and then divide. 2. To divide a mixed fraction by a proper fraction or a whole number, we convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction and then divide. 3. To divide two fractions, we change the division sign into multiplication and write the reciprocal of the divisor. Example 1. Solve 15 divided by 3 and 1 by 2. Solution. 15 divided by 3 and 1 by 2 is equal to 15 divided by 7 by 2, which is equal to 15 by 1 into 2 by 7, which is equal to 30 by 7, which is equal to 4 and 2 by 7. Example 2. Joseph cuts 20-meter long rope into pieces of length 3 and 1 by 3 meter each. How many pieces of rope did he get? Solution. Total length of rope is equal to 20 meter. Length of one piece is equal to 3 and 1 by 3 meter. Number of pieces is equal to 20 divided by 3 and 1 by 3, which is equal to 20 divided by 10 by 3, which is equal to 20 into 3 by 10, which is equal to 2 into 3, which is equal to 6.
Hence, Joseph got 6 pieces.
Example 3. Product of two fractions is 3 by 4. If one of the fraction is 7 and 1 by 2, then find the other. Solution. Product of two fractions is equal to 3 by 4. One of the fraction is equal to 7 and 1 by 2, which is equal to 15 by 2. Therefore, other fraction is equal to 3 by 4 divided by 15 by 2, which is equal to 3 by 4 into 2 by 15, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 5, which is equal to 1 by 10. Hence, other fraction is 1 by 10.